Friends, we are at the entrance of Bhedaghat Waterfall. The entry is 145 rupees for the ropeway car, two-way trip to and fro. And this is on the Dhuandhar Waterfall. It is like mini Niagara of India. The ropeway which we are going to take. This is the pathway to go to the waterfall, which is roughly 600 to 700 meters. We are taking the ropeway, which cost us roughly 150 rupees for to and fro. And we are now going to see and zooming to the waterfall. This is called as the mini Niagara of India. So we are coming closer to the waterfall. Look at the waterfall. Look at the view of the waterfall. These are marble rocks. They are metamorphic rocks and they are marble. The intensity of the flow of this is on the Narmada river. Getting out of the falls. So we have just got out of the cable car. So we have reached the waterfall from the ropeway, and the intensity of the water, look at the intensity. This is Narmada river flowing at such a high intense, and the splashes of water is coming and hitting on our face. So you can see the falls on the background. Friends, subscribe to my channel, kindly share my video, and kindly put a like button to all my videos. Goodbye friends.